I feel like I finally have gotten myself together to create a YouTube video about side hustles for our moms. Like, this is a very anticipated one because I know there are a lot of moms out there, both here in Nigeria and around the world, that are looking for side hustles to keep themselves going while still taking care of their babies. Now your girl's got you. Your girl has sat down and decided to break it down to a series to make sure that I am passing across as much information about the businesses that you can do from the comfort of your home. Now sit back, get your notepads, and let's get this started. So like the topic says, we're going to be talking about the side hustles that every stay-at-home mom can do from the comfort of her home while still taking care of their loved ones, their babies, and still making some moolah. Now, I'm going to be sharing 2 points, right? And these 2 points, I'm talking from my personal experience with them. I don't believe in sharing side hustles that I have not tried out. If you don't know me or if not watched any of my videos, a lot of the businesses that I've mentioned here, I've done them. I'm giving my perspective from undergoing or doing this business, and I'm sharing the do's and the don'ts so that you don't make the mistakes that I made. Now, the very first side hustle I would recommend to any mom that wants to also create time for their kids is creating a YouTube channel. Now, a quick disclaimer. So I started my YouTube channel in 2019. So it was 1 year before I got married and before I got pregnant and had my daughter. Now, in those couple of months before I eventually got pregnant, I was sharing content on entrepreneurship, helping people with their businesses, sharing my experience from running several businesses. And the moment I got pregnant, I just felt this need to create content or document my pregnancy journey, the things I was feeling in my pregnancy journey, the changes my body was going through, as well as, giving birth, my postpartum journey, what I was struggling with, all the little details about, motherhood that people don't talk about. I felt the urgent need to document all of this and share to YouTube. Now, as a first-time mom, I did learn a lot of the stuff I know now from watching YouTube during my pregnancy period, which I feel like a lot of moms also do. So why not create content on this? Why not start a YouTube channel where you're sharing details about motherhood, about taking care of a baby, maybe how to swaddle a baby, how to wash your baby's bottles, the uncomfortable conversations that moms don't like to have on either motherhood or pregnancy, like maybe should you spank your kid, or how to parent or train your kid, just stuff that you feel like are gonna be useful to moms or other parents that are in desperate need of this information. You can share that on YouTube. So creating a YouTube channel, sharing things that are important to you, sharing things that are interesting to you, it could even be like organizing, it could be cleaning, it could be homeschooling for your kids, just things that you do on a regular basis that are passionate to you and you feel like it would be of some use to somebody out there. You can document that, create content on that, and share that using your YouTube channel, while also making money on it. Now, the second side hustle that you can actually do as a first-time mom or a stay-at-home mom is thrift flipping. Now, what is thrift flipping? Now, thrift is buying pre-owned items or items on discount at a steal, and flipping is you're flipping those items for a profit. So basically, you're buying discounted items for a steal or a price, a good price, and you're flipping that for a profit. And I'm happy to confess that I'm one person that loves buying thrift items for gym wear. Now, because of how expensive gym wear is in today's market, I believe that buying pre-owned or fairly used items such as gym wears is very good for my pocket, because I love feeling good and looking good when going to the gym. So why not have a ton of gym outfits? And the only way I can do that is buying that for the thrift price. Now, for my Naija people, if you feel like you want to embark on this thrift journey but you don't have an idea where to buy thrift items from, especially thrift clothes, Yaba Market is your best friend. A lot of these wholesalers in Yaba Market buy from manufacturers or people that bring them into the country and buy them for a steal. So they go like on Saturday mornings. There are usually periods during the week that these wholesalers in the market have like fresh items that they just bought and they want to sell them very fast. Like on Saturday mornings, a lot of these thrift stores like rush the Yaba market by like 7 a.m. or 7:30 or 8 a.m. They're sitting in these stores, they're picking items in good quality and they're trying to get the right prices just before the like multitude of people that come to the market come in and then try to buy at their discounted prices. These people come, buy like tops for like 2,500 naira, buy tops for like 3,000 naira, buy jeans for like 4,000 naira, and then they go on Instagram and they sell for like 5,000 naira. Now you on Instagram as a consumer, you're seeing a pair of jeans for like 5,000 naira, maybe they're like Zara jeans, and you're like, that's a good steal, right? You purchase them, the store owner has bought them for like maybe 3,000 naira, 3,500, and they're selling for 5,000 naira. They've made 1,500 naira profit from that one purchase. Now, imagine that in a multitude of products. Now, for example, like if I am buying a pair of gym wear, right? I'm gonna buy a top, I'm gonna buy a sports bra, I'm gonna buy pants. Now, a lot of these thrift stores, they have like maybe a collection. Is that the right word for it? They put it in the sense that they sell you the top, they sell you the sports bra, and they sell you the pants, or they sell you just the sports bra and the pants, right? Now, if someone is selling the entire look for like 9,000 naira, like a top, sports bra, and pants, that's a steal, right? Like on a regular store, that would probably be like over $100, right? Now, they in the market, they're buying the top for like 1,500 or 2,000 naira. They're buying the pants for 2,000 naira. They're buying the top for like 1,500 or 2,000 naira. That's what, 6,000 naira, 6,500? Imagine me buying 10 outfits like that. I'm buying 10 outfits, over 100,000 naira on tops, sports bra, and pants, maybe for like 10K, over 100K. Then you now add delivery. Isn't that store making a profit? So you can actually do this from the comfort of your home. Now let me tell you how you set up a thrift store. By the way, if you haven't watched my thrift store video, I'm gonna link it up here, but just a sneak peek on the kind of content those stores do. They go and they buy a mannequin, like a doll, without the head, just the body and the legs, and then like a stand where it stands on, they all come together. They buy that doll, they go to a corner of their house, they have a ring light, and they dress the doll in the item. So sometimes they don't even have like the right set. Maybe they have like a black top and they match it with like black pants that has like maybe pink stripes or something like that. They match it and it looks good, and they take a picture and they sell both items together. Because at some point, for gym owners or thrift stores that sell gym wears, they don't see a profit when they're selling like a bra top and just the pants. If you're selling the whole look, I will buy the whole look, because I don't want to start thinking, oh, what am I gonna match it with? No. They sell the whole thing. So now these guys come, they have their ring light in one corner, they've bought a mannequin, and they've bought the multitude of clothes that they're gonna post, right? They pair the items up, right? And then they post these items on social media. It could be either Instagram store, it could be Facebook Marketplace, it could be their WhatsApp story, they could even have a website for it, anything. But these guys are posting these items from the comfort of their home. Now I know like 2 people that have these. One actually just gave birth and was posting items. So she had someone, or she already had a guy in the market that was her customer and was also always deliver like a multitude of like items for her to her home, so she didn't have to go anywhere. So she would literally get this item delivered to her doorstep, she would carry them, she would post them, and she's making the money from her home. Now this is a solid way for you to make a killing from thrifting items or from flipping thrift items. Now I'm gonna pause here so I don't give you more tea on these side hustles, but this is gonna be like a side hustle series for stay-at-home moms. So just, you know, get yourself prepared, because I'm gonna be sharing the tea and the tips here and there, just so I can encourage those moms out there just like me that at some point felt like they needed to find other sources of income that could support their family while they were bringing life into the world. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and keep watching. Bye guys.